My spirit guides are kind of like imaginary friends to me, just that in that case my imagination represents a reality and a consciousness, and their presence is very loving, very supportive, very funny, very kind, and that helps me or my clients to get to where we want to be. And the funny thing about this is that oftentimes what we think is needed is far away from the truth, and so the guidance that I receive tends to be quite a surprise in many cases, and at the same time it's so helpful, and it's so crystal clear, so grounded, and so down to earth, and such clear action steps that they give me, that I have learned to trust in that guidance, in that support, in that healing that is then also possible, both for me and for others. Please know that you are always loved and supported